Welcome everybody, it is Crypto Moose, and we're going to get loose. Mitchell Bouchard, your crypto and NFT investor. Thank you so much for tuning in once again. What we're going to do is talk about COPI. So we've gone over Cornucopias probably like a year ago, at least months ago. So we're going to go over the price update. We are up over 140%. I believe at one point we were at 146%. So as you know, crypto, it fluctuates all the time. But that's very unique to see, right? It's very rare that even in a bear market, you can get a crypto that goes up that much. So before we get started, don't forget to smash that like button. Also subscribe. I'm going to be doing 3 separate videos after this one. So today we are Tuesday, November 28th, 2023. I'm going to be doing a video showing you guys how to buy COPI on MinSwap. So it's going to be basically on Cardano's blockchain. I'm going to show you how to buy COPI with BNB, with Binance, and also with Uniswap. So I believe it's on the Ethereum chain in that regard. So this is going to be really cool. All right, so let's dive right into it. We've got quite a bit to cover. Right now, again, we are Tuesday, November 28th, 2023, and the whole market is up. So we've got a $1.42 trillion market cap, and liquidity is starting to flow into Cardano a little bit more. So let's check out Cardano, give you guys a little update. It looks like we're at 78.44% in terms of our circulating supply, which is nice. So a lot more tokens being minted, coming out. We're up 8% on the week, roughly 30% on the month, and year to date, we're up 25% on ADA. So very nice to see. And typically, as you all know, we're generally going to have liquidity move into the layer ones like Cardano, and then it will funnel down into the other tokens as well. But what we're going to do is talk about COPI, Cornucopias. So Cornucopias, this is a AAA level game, and recently there have been huge news with COPI, and that's why it's up so much. So if we look on the day, we're up 13% today. So I picked up a little bit more. I swapped some ADA for COPI last week and then a little bit yesterday. We are up 65% on the 1 week, and we are up, 67% on the week. We're up 145% year to date. And in fact, when I got in about here for some of it, and then a little bit higher later as well. So for those of you that are thinking that it's too late to pick up any COPI, you're definitely wrong. We haven't seen anything yet. So specifically with Cornucopias, they have structured it where it's going to be easy to get cross-chain. So just recently, a couple days ago, you were able to pick up COPI on Uniswap. So I'm going to be doing a dedicated video this week on that. So I'm going to show you how to connect a wallet. I'm going to show you step-by-step, more of a tutorial guided video, a lot like what I do with the online courses. And if you guys want to know how to pick up COPI, I have several different videos on the channel. These are a little bit older, but if you go to the channel, type in COPI. The goal is to make a resource for you to check out these projects, right? So here, watch me buy COPI. You know, you can watch that. Mini tutorial. We've got COPI leaks, stuff like that. So how to buy COPI token, MinSwap. These are old. This is 5 months ago. I'm not even sure what price I paid for that at the time, but it's definitely something to check out. So definitely go on the channel. Check those out. There are tons of videos, right? I just did more COPI news. If you guys are into COPI, watch that video. Cornucopias, COPI news. This is happening. That is not clickbait. That is legit. So let me take a look here for you all and comment down below. How much COPI do you have? If you're bullish on COPI, if you want to learn more, check out the channel. But I definitely want to see that. So they're going to start to, they've been working on the game. When I say they are, I'm talking about the team. That's Rob and Josh, co-CEOs. Those guys are great. Check out COPI Cafe. They do a really good job. So they got a lot more happening on the marketing side, which we haven't seen yet. They've just been building out the racing game, That's going to be coming out first. You guys should check out Josh as well. This was a great video. He's got a unique viewpoint. This is another dude. I don't really watch his stuff, but he's been around. What else? Yeah, so top blockchain games with the most price increase, COPI at number 1. Guys, I did videos 6 to 12 months ago talking about COPI, how it's the number 1. Because if you look at the market cap of good quality metaverse game projects that are coming out, and by the way, I don't even play video games. I'm more of a macro investor. So COPI really checked it off in terms of, hey, gaming is big. Gaming is massive. And you can own, especially with gaming, you can own digital assets that represent in-game elements like their bubble jets, their racing vehicles, their land, characters. You can build these things out and truly own it through the blockchain and verify, that this person owns this. So let's say you get into the game, you could do so much of that and more. Okay. So that's basically it with Cornucopias. I'm a huge fan of it. And again, look at what it is doing. And the big thing is the Neo Tokyo partnership. So I really wanted you guys to check that out. So check it, listen to these, watch Neo Tokyo, follow that, because that's where the attention is going, quite frankly. Right. So we'll get into one more thing briefly. So the price is doing well on the day, very well on the week. But if we look at something like Decentraland, right? Mana, this is at 840 million in market cap. It does not look as good as COPI. So in the thing is that Cardano didn't even have smart contracts before. And anyways, Cornucopias, COPI, it is multi-chain anyways. They said that from the get-go. But my point is that a lot of top gaming projects are like 4 to 5% of what Cornucopias is in terms of aesthetics, the quality, just everything about it. Nobody has a AAA MMO level game like COPI. So it's extremely undervalued. You're talking about a 20 to 30x just to get where we're at in a bear market. So COPI could be insanely undervalued over the next 1 to 2 years. I'm not telling you to pick up COPI, invest at your own risk, but in my opinion, COPI could hit $1 billion in market cap, and that's just, and that could happen in a bear market. So yeah, that's basically my point on that. So if you guys want to follow more, check out my link tree. So check out all the socials, join the Discord, check out an online course if you want. We got a free Cardano mini course. So all you have to do is click on the link. This one, you get a workbook, etc. If you guys do not have a hardware wallet, I've been using hardware wallets like crazy. I got Trezors, I've got the Ledgers. I've been loving my Tangent wallet. It's great. And I also have a NFT coming out. So 22 days, December 21st, 5 p.m. UTC. You guys can come out on JPEG Store, connect your wallet, and mint your very own Loose Moose. There's only going to be 5 golden ones. And what I'm doing with this NFT project for utility is anyone that owns a Loose Moose NFT, there's only 500 total, $4.99. You get access to the Discord. So we're going to have a private chat, and you can ask me whatever questions you want throughout the week. And then on top of that, giveaways. So when companies send me wallets, when they send me accessories, whenever we do an NFT giveaway, I'm going to prioritize all of the Loose Moose holders. So comment down below if you like that idea as well. So that being said, it's time to get loose, and we'll see you all in the next one. I'm excited to do those videos. I'm going to show you guys how to buy COPI on different chains. So cheers, everyone.